We have here Corolla X, and the issue at hand is the sunroof. His sunroof is rusted. The frame and the channel that operates are all rusted, so we have removed it. We have removed it and we are going to fix another one to fix the car. So this is how it's ongoing. We will give you the finished work later. So if you're having any issue with your sunroof, please contact On God Ventures and we are ready to fix your sunroof for you. Either damaged, rusted or leaking, we fix all sunroof issues. Kindly contact On God Ventures and we will help you.